Hey, Nurse Mary. My name is Olivia. I'm the occupational therapist, and this is Mr. Jones. He just had a total hip replacement with posterior hip precautions on his right side. With posterior hip precautions, he cannot flex his hip past 90 degrees. He cannot cross his legs, and he can't turn his toes inward. So when helping him get to the toilet, he will need to follow those hip precautions, and I'm going to show you how to help him get to the toilet. I'm going to show you how to put a gait belt on. I'm going to show you how to use a walker and how to help him get his pants up and down and to do hygiene. So first thing first, we're going to help Mr. Jones get to the edge of the bed following those hip precautions. So once he's sitting at the edge of the bed, I'm going to first put the gait belt on him. So I'm just going to give him a big hug. Teeth side first, I'm going to thread the end of the gait belt through the teeth. I'm going to pull it snug on his body and then thread the opposite end through the loop and pull it tight. Once I've got the gait belt on, I've got the walker here right next to me, so I don't need to leave his side. The walker opens up. Just flip it open to close it. You're going to press this button here where it says press, and I'm going to fold the walker in on one side and then fold the walker in on the other side. This walker is a rolling walker. It is adjusted to his height, but if you needed help adjusting the height of the walker should come to about the hip bones. So I've got the walker open. Mr. Jones is sitting at the edge of the bed with his gait belt on. It is his right side that had left side that had the hip precautions on. So I'm going to place the commode, the bedside commode, towards his right. So he's going towards his stronger side. I'm using the bedside commode because I can elevate the leg rest, so the height will accommodate for him not being able to flex past 90 degrees. So to help Mr. Jones get up, I'm going to hold the gait belt. He's going to push off the bed. He's going to kick the leg that has the hip precautions. He's going to kick that leg out so that he doesn't break his hip precautions. And on the count of 3, I'm going to have him stand up. 1, 2, 3. Pushing from the bed, he'll lift up, reach for the walker, and bring both feet up underneath him. Now, using this walker, he's going to do a step 2, step, turn the walker, step, turn the walker, step, turn the walker, reach behind him, kick that left leg forward so he's not breaking his hip precautions, and then have a seat on the commode. To help him with hygiene and clothing management, I'm going to make sure that he keeps that left leg forward so he's not bending or turning his toes in or turning his toes out. So when he reaches behind, he can do a weight shift to get his bottom. To do clothing management, he can hold one side of the walker, pull the pants down, pull the other side of the walker, pull the pants down, and then have a seat. To get back, he'll do the same thing. Push from a stable surface, reach for the walker, pull his left leg in towards him, step 2, turn the walker, step 2, turn the walker, step 2, turn the walker, back up until he feels both legs touching the bed, kick that left leg out so that he's not breaking his hip precautions, reach behind, and have a seat. I'm going to take the gait belt off of him, unthread the end, unthread the teeth, take the walker off, and he is good to go.